Okay, so this video is not starting how all normal ones be starting, where I'm like, yo, what's up? Actually, let me do my intro. Hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Aneke. How y'all doing or whatever? How y'all doing or whatever? Hey. Hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Aneke, here to Neat Budgets and hunting, and we do cast and budget and paying off for debt and mind our business, not necessarily in them for orders. If that is something that you're interested in, subscribe, like, turn the notification bell, and join the fan because we the gang, okay? So no shade, no tea. You see this money, let's come do this cast stuff it with me, okay? So we're not gonna back it up and, you know, switch it, baby, we here. All right, so here I was, you know, minding my business. You see the budget book, you see the budget binder, and you see the cash. I was minding my business and I was like, girl, usually I do some like background situations, and I was like, you know what, let me give y'all the real. So here we are, okay, the full reel of it all. And this is what we doing. We is figuring out what the hell is going on, because I took money out of the bank, and like I said, I only get 20s. So I had 20s when I started, but now, you know, I have spent some money, and so yeah, I want y'all to follow me as we figure out this cash stuff in, because sometimes this is what actually happens, is you take the money out of the bank to cash stuff, but then you need something before you get to the house. Hey, it be like that sometimes. So let me get this cash tray, right? Ooh, child. Alright, I forgot these was press-ons, child, and baby, I was trying to do a lot. Let me move this cash tray. Let me not make sure, you know, it's a lot going on. Because sometimes, you know, when there's a lot going on, we get overwhelmed, baby, okay? So I might get overwhelmed. Yes. If you see in these, then you already watched the video and you already know what these are. I just record. Look at us. Okay. Hey, sometimes you gotta multiple, sometimes you gotta max record or whatever. So anyways, I got my budget. I need to find what our budget was. So let me find the budget that I did for this paycheck. Okay, y'all is going with me through the motions for real, ain't you? For real. All right, so I went to the bank. I only took out 20s, and the reason I only took out 20s because I knew I had money here that I can like change denominations, and I was like, okay, cool, that will work. And so I did that, and then now I'm basically cash stuffing. So there's that. So on the table, because this is my everyday binder, I was going through the motions, child, of doing all things, and I was like, you know what, let me come here, do it so y'all can see the real tea. So these are the 20s and 10. It's in order. I got a torn 5, y'all, or whatever. This was a change I got back, and then I got some ones. Yeah, I don't think I've cast stuff with nails, or if I have, I haven't done it in a week or so, maybe more. But yeah. Okay, and then all right, so out the bank, I took out $160. Now, do I have $160 here? No. Okay, how much money do I have? I have 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99. Girl, what is... Bruh, I don't know what just happened, but my brain glitched. Let me try again. 20... 40, 60, 80, 91, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, so I have $113 here. Again, I went to the bank and I took out 160 bucks. So your girl is off by a couple dollars. Okay, your girl is off by a couple dollars. So I don't have all my money like I normally do. I don't have my 160. I was supposed to take out the bank $164. 164. 164. 164. 164. 164. 164. 164. 164. 164. 164. 164. 164. 164. 164. 164. 164. 164. 164. 164. 164. 164. 164. 164. 164. 164. 164. 164. 164. 164. 164. 164. 164. 164. 164. 164. 164. 164. 164. 164. 164. 164. 164. 164. 164. 164. 164. 164. 164. 164. 164. 164. 164. 164. 164. 164. 164. 164. 164. 164. 164. 164. 164. 164. 164. 164. 164. 164. 164. 164. 164. 164. 164. 164. 164. 164. 164. 164. 164. 164. 164. 164. 164. 164. 164. 164. 164. 164. 164. 164. 164. 164. 164. 164. 164. 1 right? Yeah, $164 I was supposed to take out the bank. That's not what we took out the bank. We just took 160. So yeah, anyways, let's start with cash stuff in my everyday binder. So first we have groceries. So groceries right now has 50,000 Korean money, and then I also have 50, 70, 80, and I'm supposed to be adding $60 to this. However, I did spend money from my groceries before I even came here, so that's what I'm saying, like I already spent money out of here. So $60 was originally going towards groceries, right? And then I spent $25 at the fruit stand, and then I also spent what was it, $18. Let me get the receipts, y'all. I gotta get the receipts. Okay, here's the receipt. And then I spend $14 at the commissary. So $14 here. So I'm supposed to be inputting $21 into groceries. So I have $21 left for groceries, y'all. So boom. So we, like I said, we have 80 and I'm putting 21. So I'm gonna put a 20 and a dollar bill. And so now groceries has a total of 50, 70, 90, 100, 101. So that is what is in groceries. Oh shit, I need that over there. Ooh, my bad. Oh shoot. I need this over here. So groceries. Okay. Come on, girl. I'm telling you, have on press-ons, be different. Wait until I do my nails. Like when I actually like do them. Yeah, it's gonna be lit. Anyways, gas is next. So gas has in there 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. We're not putting anything in gas. Actually, the only thing that's going in here is groceries and Tides, y'all. So nothing is going in gas. I forgot. This is my like minimum cash stuff in binder. So let me find Tides because I think it's in the back. Yeah, there we go. So Tides is in the back. So Tides, it should have $873, y'all. Shit. My bad. Sorry. My bad. 1, 2, 3, 354, 454, 70, 495. Yes, I did that. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83. So that's 3. So that's 800. 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 71, 72, 73. So $873, and I'm supposed to be adding $47 to Tides. So I'm gonna do 2 20s, the 5, and I'm gonna do 2 1s. So $47. So that right there. Put a 5 right here. Do this right there. And then we already know that this is 5, right? So now we have 20, 40, 60, 86, 20, 40, 60, 87, 20, 40, 60, 88, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, 9. This is 9. 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So now we have 920 in Tides. So yeah, and obviously I think y'all, I'm gonna put this money back in the bank. I think once I get to $1,000, I'm gonna put this back in the bank for Tides. I think this has been like my most consistent envelope. I think every other envelope I've been like, I can put something in there and put something not, but nah, like my Tides has been my most consistent. So really proud of that. So that is it for this binder. Okay. My emergency fund doesn't get anything. My sinking funds binder doesn't get anything. I left those in the in the bank because it was $4.46. I left it in the bank, and so I just took out the $20 bills because again, I can only take 20s out of the bank. So yeah, so let's move on to my saving challenge binder, which is next because y'all. So first things first, I did the bingo, the savings bingo on Saturday, and so I'm supposed to be saving $20 for savings bingo. I do not have a binder here, but I have this fake, not the fake, but I did a tester kit for my envelopes that I was making. Go ahead and watch yesterday's video again if you haven't. And so I'm just gonna put the savings bingo money in here. So I was supposed to put $20 in there. So I am gonna put that right here, and I'm just gonna write this down. And then put plus $20. Okay. So we're just gonna do that, and then I'm just gonna put it in here because as you guys can see, oh yeah, but if you guys see when I put these in, like it's short, like the money fits fine, right, but the actual like budget sheet doesn't fit. So yeah, and then these are the holiday challenge. So I'm gonna go back to the Christmas challenge. So let me get this binder and let me go to, so let me see how much we got left. If we have $25, we'll just do a Christmas band. So we have 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and 25. Okay, cool, bet. We'll just do a Christmas do because we have $25 left. So Christmas challenge right now has in there 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 92, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, and 49. Okay. And we're adding $25. So this 5 right here, and then these 2 10s. And so now, I can't believe that worked out. You know? And so now, Christmas challenge has in it 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 92, 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 51, 52, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, and 74. So 274 is now in Christmas challenge, and that is the cat stuffing. So look at us figuring out stuff. But yeah, so that is it. That is all. So 274 is now in the Christmas challenge, which like I said will be over soon because Christmas is basically what like 12 days away, something like that. So yeah, but that is the cash envelope stuffing. I hope you guys enjoy the video. I hope you guys enjoy this different format of, you know, seeing when your girl use the money. You gotta correct yourself versus the beginning when, you know, we're all like together. But yeah, if you did enjoy this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe because we would love to have you here. Turn your notification bell, child. Okay, click the button, yeah, if you have not seen my cash envelope for 2025, baby, it's coming up right now, so go ahead and click on the video. But my name is Aneke. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye. How you want to do it? How you want to get it? I'm out that, out of my mind. Can't even talk, can't even walk. Bad little thing.